ways can you have it? Tuna salad, tuna sandwich, tuna casserole, tuna salad, tuna sandwich, tuna casserole. Have you ever tried tuna cakes? Oh my gosh, they are so easy to make and so good. Let's get started. It's going to take about 5 minutes to get everything in and ready. Then we'll go to the refrigerator, let them sit. Then we'll go into the oil in the frying pan. These are really good. Let's get started. First thing you're going to need is a 5-ounce can of solid white albacore tuna. We're going to open that and drain that well. Next thing we're going to need are breadcrumbs. How much? All depends on how much water we get out of the tuna. And we need to dry it up a certain amount. We need 1 medium egg. We're going to need 6 crackers, saltine crackers, and we're going to mash them up so they're just a real fine powder. We're going to need, I like to use maybe 1 larger onion. It's early spring, so we're going to use 3 smaller onions, about 8-9 inches long. We're going to use them green and all. We're also going to use some salt, just a touch of salt to taste. Black pepper, which I really love on tuna. And 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Remember, I said drain that well. Did I say get the tuna in the water, not the oil? You do not want the oil. You want as little of your fingertips in there as possible. Salt, black pepper, and we are going to wait to the breadcrumbs to see how moist this is. All right, we're going to put that's perfect. Now we're going to add our breadcrumbs. So now we're ready to divide up into 3 fish balls. Try to get them pretty close in size. Those look about all the same size, or very close. All right, from here on in, it's pretty easy. Just take them, it's like you would a hamburger patty, just like that. And they really don't need any additional egg on them, so I'm just going to put them in here in the breadcrumb. Put them up. The other breadcrumb. Oh yeah, that's perfect. They're extremely tender, just like that. There's our plate. Lay them on that plate. And 1 can makes 3 of these, which is perfect for 1 serving. So here we have them, folks. 3 really nice tuna cakes. Slide into the fridge. There you go. And let them sit for about 30-40 minutes before cooking. So here we go. Here we go. A little bit of bubbles around there. Not too hot. Cook it easy. This old stove we're cooking on, Granny's stove, and I don't know where she got it, but best of my research shows that it was made in the late 1890s, early 1900s. Granny used it as a canning stove in the basement. Granny passed, my father-in-law passed it on to us, my wife and I. Oh, look at that. You can't get any better than that. I'll tell you what, look at that. This is a can of tuna we're talking about. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Oh, wow, look at that. That looks so good. It smells wonderful. It's gonna taste even better. All right, folks, these are done. Coming off. Yes, look at that. Don't even need to show it. All right. I'll flip that around because I want to get that thin one there. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, wow. Get a little tartar sauce on there. Here's the tartar sauce. A little bit. All right. Sorry, you're going to have to look at my ugly face. Here it goes. That is fabulous. $1.50 can of tuna. Tuna sandwich, go away. Tuna casserole, go away. Tuna salad, go away. Tuna cakes. This is the way to do it. Oh, this is fabulous. Nothing else. Oh, where's my beer? Gotta have a beer with that. Nothing else.